Hi, Hybrid Hiccups. That's my series of video blogs for this week and probably next, because I've isolated 10 hybrid hiccups that every organisation, every leader should be aware of, so we don't have those hiccups. And they're not going to be hiccups. If we don't pay attention to the things I'm talking about, they could have disastrous consequences. I talked about on Monday, I talked about security. Yesterday, I talked about mental well-being of our employees, especially when they're out of sight. Doesn't mean they should be out of mind. And I wanted to talk about the war on talent. And this is a big one organisations really have to be aware of. So employers know that now we're in the era of hybrid work and people can work from anywhere, generally, not every employee, but many of our employees can, regardless of geographical location, that they now have access more than ever before to a global talent pool, and they can tap into niche skill areas in various locations around the world. So not only do employers have greater choice, that's good, but, and here's the other side of the coin, so do employees. They know now that they can work from anywhere. They don't have to be in the same locale, same suburb, same city as their employer. They could be halfway around the world if they wanted to and work for an employer of choice. And that's the key. You will now have to be an employer of choice, period, if you want to attract the best talent and retain talent. You have to have a good brand and a good reputation. You have to have a good program for employee well-being in your organisation. That's now one of the top considerations of employees looking for an employer, is their approach to mental well-being in the workplace. And in the Microsoft 2021, I'm trying to remember the name of the report, Work Trend Index, it revealed that 46% of its survey respondents are likely to move to a new location this year. And 41% of the global workforce is likely to consider leaving their current employer this year. Why? Because they can. They have more choice than they've ever had before. So organisations wanting to thrive, never alone survive, need to make sure that they are an employer of choice. I'll talk to you tomorrow. Bye.